our agenda now. It's not actually on the agenda, but I think I did mention it when we came back from lunch. We are now going to be treated to a demo from Nikolai Thompson, the CEO of Genesis AI, who is revealing for the first time a demo on Operator. So please welcome Nikolai.
Thank you. Thank you so much. We're going to be together just 7 minutes. Now, we are a company that is 2.5 years old. We're a team of about 30. We build AI, but a third of us are also chartered accountants. And we've been trying to figure out how we build AI to answer much of the stuff that's just been talked about in the last few minutes. And so today, I'm actually going to show you something which we've never shown publicly before. It's called Operator, which you would have seen from the likes of OpenAI and Anthropic, US-based firms with hundreds of millions. We are a team of 26 on the 4th floor of the building opposite here. So we've built an intelligence layer. An Operator that I'm going to show you is going to work right now on our software. But next year, this is going to be available to run on any piece of software in any language and work with any currency. For us, the vision is to give every business the data to thrive. And what that means is we want real-time bookkeeping. This is going to give you speed and accuracy. What I'm going to show you will complete its work in 4 minutes. Operator comes in 2 flavors. There is Global Operator on the left. This is our model. We call it ARC. This is not any other public AI. This is inside a closed ecosystem, and in 2026, there will be an API and you will be able to put it into your own environment. It is based on the intelligence across every single company that uses ARC, of course, anonymized, but it costs £5,000 a year. This Operator can handle 25,000 transactions. And so you're going to compare that to what a junior outputs and how their tasks change. And on the right is Private Operator. It's more expensive, but it's private. It learns the way your firm's methodology works, or how you need a specific client's ledger to be run with absolutely no mixing with any other data set. There's a couple of things before I play the video, which will be 90 seconds long. This is an example of what ARC is capable of doing in our development environment. This is just a transaction. There's a couple of things on there which should be capitalized, but the operator, the user, the human, has said, like, tell me what's going on. An operator says, well, ordinarily these types of purchases, you can read on the left-hand side. Give it a read, please. Normally they would be capitalized because it knows how to do it, but at the moment, this is being treated as an expense. Now the human can say, well, we're going to set a new limit of £150 and we're going to capitalize anything over that. Great. This is what Operator is able to do. Read again on the left, the response. It's updated the policy for that client. Great. But it's reviewed all the other transactions which are currently in flight, not yet posted to the ledger. And there are 4 other items on 2 other invoices that are going to be impacted by this change. That's a really simple example of the type of power that we have now here in London. So I'm going to play this 90-second video, and I'm going to narrate quickly through it. This is a standard invoice. It's pretty basic, not anything too complicated about it. We're going to just upload it. Now this can come from an email integration, it can be forwarded, it can come from WhatsApp, Slack, or Teams. And it extracts, that's agent number 1. This is a 30 to 40 second exercise where I've just sped it up. From this point, agent number 2, Operator takes over automatically. It's the one that's written the search for that Hugging Face invoice. Now this is recorded in a local environment, so there's no actual picture, but right now it is reviewing, in geek terms, the JSON file, but essentially the work that the original bookkeeper or the extractor agent number 1 did. And it's also looking at the context of what do I know about this client or how this firm wants everything to be run. So it's checking that that's not going to create a duplicate supplier. It's tabbing through at the bottom, it's changing to the VAT treatment to reverse charge. And it's changing the account code because this client treats this type of purchase differently. And it saves it. And that'll publish straight to QuickBooks 0 or 300 today. What's happening on the left is the important bit. It's just pasted why. It changed the VAT. It changed the account code. And there are a whole bunch of other interesting things that are in that list. And what I want to ask you is what's written there. This is the most important part. This overcomes the black box problem of AI. It will tell you why, give evidence it made a change. For your juniors and your grads, reading that is possibly a better and a faster education for them than waiting for a senior to explain something to them. Whether you believe that to be absolutely correct is your professional judgment, but we display it here for you to read. And every single transaction will have this. We have been running this in the background for 9 months on our own capability, doing bookkeeping on behalf of about a dozen practices since August last year. And we've proven 10 hours of work can be done in 4. What you do with those 6 hours are up to you. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Really interesting to see that. We are now going to take a short